In today's video, I'll show you how to run HTML code in Notepad on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get started. Step 1. Create a project folder. First, create a new folder anywhere on your PC and name it something like HTML project. For this example, I'll create the folder on the desktop. Open the folder, then create a new text document inside it. Step 2. Write or paste your HTML code. Open the text file you just created. Now write your HTML code or paste any code you want to run. For this tutorial, I'll be using this simple HTML code. Step 3. Save the file as an HTML file. Now go to File Save As. In the Save As window, enter a file name, for example, first tail file. Then add HTML at the end of the name white checkmark emoji. It should look like this, first tail file. HTML. Select the same project folder you created earlier and click Save. This is the most important step, don't forget to add HTML. Step 4. Run the HTML file. Now go back to your folder. You'll see the new HTML file there. Double-click it, and it will open in your default web browser. Step 5. Make changes anytime. If you want to update the page, open the original text file again. Make your changes, for example, add a second heading, save the file. Refresh the browser. You'll see the changes instantly reflected on the web page. And that's it. Now you know how to write and run HTML code in Notepad on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.